So we have a functions questions. Again, it's a question that you're likely to find at the end of the paper. So the key thing is we've been asked to show. So all these 3 marks are for working out. They've actually given you the final answer. Now, if we said this to you, you would substitute 2 into f. But they've told you this. So what this is telling you is g of x is your x, and that goes into f. So g of x is what becomes your new x value. So if we look here, we've been told f of x is x squared plus 6x. Now, we don't know what x is, but this is telling you g of x equals x. So x actually equals 2x plus 4. So instead of x squared, we're going to put this in there. Plus 6. Instead of x, we're going to put this in there. So as I said, the 2 you would put into f, but here you're putting g of x into f. Okay, so here the 2 would be your x, here your g of x is your x. So you can see that. You obviously need to expand this out. And that will be 4x squared plus 8x plus 8x plus 16. Let's tidy this all up now. So 4x squared plus 16x plus 16. Let's expand the other 2 things, which is 12x plus 24. If we tidy that up, keeping an eye on the answer, 4x squared plus 28x plus 40. There you go. And the crucial thing to remember is that g of x replaces x in the f function. That's what this is asking you to do. Now the next part is asking you to solve. So let's go to a new workspace. The thing is, you can get A wrong but get B right. They're asking you to make this equal to -5. So they're asking you to make this. They're asking you to solve this equals to -5. So this was your fg of x, and they're asking for you to replace that. You can see it's a quadratic equation, but quadratic equation must be equal to 0. So bring all of that, make it equal to 0. So you can see 40 plus 5 will be 45. So for quadratic equation, your a value will be 4, your b value will be 28, and your c value will be 45. You substitute, you look at your formula page if you've got one for the next couple of years. So minus b, where is b? B is 28, minus b plus minus square root of b squared, so that's 28 squared, minus, I like to put that in bracket, 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 4. Once we've tidied all of this up, so it's minus 28 plus minus 28 squared, take all of that, should be 64 divided by 8. Your 2 solutions, one of them will be minus 28 plus root 64 divided by 8, and that will be minus 2.5. Your other solution will be minus 28, take away square root of 64, which is 8, divided by 8, and that will be minus 4.5. There you have it.